morning. It is Mark Weiss. Hope you're doing well today. There's been so much in the press, both the industry press and even the popular press over the last 3 months or so concerning PPE, all in the context, of course, of equipment for your groups, physicians, and other providers. But at the same time, there's been little to no mention, except on our blog at weispc.com, about groups doing much to protect themselves. Have you used the months of downtime, if indeed in your practice there was downtime, or the months of slowdown, to plan, to strategize for how to make not only your group more resilient, the true PPE for medical groups, more resilient, more even anti-fragile in the event of some other crisis, whether it's a public health crisis, whether it's purely an economic crisis, whether it's a political crisis. Have you also used that time and the opportunity to strategize for the growth? Have you used the observation, which is there, that most people in a crisis are assuming a fetal position, and most groups, most facilities are assuming the same sort of fetal position. When will it be over? What they're not doing is looking at the fact that the crisis is also an opportunity to expand into new markets because others are afraid, an opportunity to expand into new facilities because groups there are afraid, and quite frankly, many hospitals, many surgery centers are afraid also. Think about both the PPE concept for your group as well as the opportunistic opportunities for your group. Either way, you are protecting your group and you're protecting yourself.